This is Caravan Salon. In front of me I've got a vehicle on a pedestal from French manufacturer Challenger, and this very same vehicle I suspect has its counterpart in Chausson, although that I don't know. It's 659 centimeters long and it's called the exciting name S217GA. It's only 210 centimeters in width. This thing here is going to cost 73,265 euros. So with that in mind, let's have a look inside. With these dimensions, this is in campervan land. Well, more so to speak. I find this a really good dimension. I think many of us do not like driving things which are wide. The trouble is when you get inside, it's too narrow. This doesn't appear to be narrow in the slightest. This gives the impression of space. And anyway, so I've come back here to the bed. I'm lifting this up. We can see we've got a big garage down there. You might have seen that though from the outside. And in here we can see that we have got a I'm not going to open this right the way up, but we can see we've got in here an enormous wardrobe. I bet many people don't have a wardrobe that big at home. That is really, really big. And if that wasn't enough, there's also more storage on the other side, but I don't think we're going to see it because this is in the way. And so far so good, but now unfortunately we're getting on to the bad bits, because I can see this is here. This thing here is the extension of the bed. On the top of this, one puts a mattress. Now I'm going to just use this one because I haven't got the one you're supposed to put on the top, because it's probably in the garage or somewhere else, or the dog's eating it. So that would come down there, supported by that. And that's how that is designed to work. Now we have the problem, and I'm going to demonstrate what the problem is. This here will have to go back, but as you notice, when you lift it up, everything comes up with it. That is not, that's such a pity. And I think this thing's almost, yeah, it already seems to be on its way. No, it's no longer there flush. So this is a problem, and that is a pity, in my opinion. Storage at the back, when we've got this sort of storage here, and well, I suppose at least they put a railing. Can I call it a railing? What is it? It's a bit of string or something. But anyway, at least it's there, and you can sort of stuff things behind it that won't, soft things that won't fall down. You've got storage down there in this step, which I can't show you because I'm going to have to move that, and if I have to move that, I'm going to have to put the mattresses away, and if I'm going to put the mattresses away, I'm going to have to put the camera down. So it's all really complicated. In this shower, we have got, bear in mind the dimensions of this vehicle, this is pretty good. This really is wonderful. And let's just make this. Pull this out to one side. We push that thing in there, and then we pull this down like this, and then it goes across. This hides itself here like that to reveal the shower head, and this is the place. Then we have a shower down here, and we've got 2 drainage holes. Oh, well done for that. And there is a really sensible sliding door on here. So that really is pretty good. In here, yeah, we've got a bit of storage. That is one of the best washrooms I have seen in any vehicle. Well, at least it would have been if I didn't have to use this false wall to get the shower head out. If the shower head had been in here, it would have won the prize of the best washroom that I am in right now. Anyway, it didn't. Right, so here we have a cooker. We've got there 2 burners. We've got a sink, and under this we've got a 3-way fridge. 3-way means it runs off gas and 2 lots of electricity. Oh, it looks quite nice inside. I like the colour. Oh, yeah, got a nice smell to it as well. I think that's that's for the cassette toilet capsules, which incidentally you don't tend to keep in the fridge. Just, I mean, as a minor point. Up here, let's see if we can get this open. Drawers, cupboards I should say. And down here, if you want a drawer, I've got a drawer here. Oh, there's a drawer, nice and it's a bit nice and tough to get open actually, and there, nice and tight I should say. So we've got plenty of space down there. So coming down here, there's a bench seat, forward facing, got 2 seat belts, good. Storage up there. It's on a Ford, yeah, very good. There's a seat here, very nice. And what's the point of that? Right, and here we've got shore power. We've got 12 volts. This, I think, is that a place to stick your phone when it's charging? And up here, got a bit of storage there as well. Yeah, I'll show you in here. There you go, plenty of storage there. Right, so I had some things in this vehicle which I really like, such as its dimensions. There are some things in this vehicle which I think I could have liked if they had only been done a little bit differently, such as the shower. And there's some things I don't like at all, such as that extension to the German layout. Does this open? Oh, it does. There you go. A bit of storage in there as well. There's an extension to the kitchen. Right, so what do you think of all this? Do you think it looks good? Do you think it looks naff? What do you think? You think it's okay? I don't think it's too bad actually. Let's have a look around the outside. I think it does deserve its position though on this pedestal, because it really is it's something out of the ordinary, and that's what I like to see, something out of the ordinary. Look at that. Remember the dimensions? That is an absolutely brilliant garage, even if the door on the other side isn't the same as the door on this side. It says there, as comfortable as in a motorhome. Sorry, as compact as a camper van, as comfortable as a motorhome. This is a motorhome. It's not a camper van. You can see it's got a body which has been built outside of the of a motorhome. It says it's a sport edition. I suppose that means it's something you can go racing in or something like that, or maybe it's just something you can play snakes and ladders in. I don't know. Don't know which sports you're playing. Anyway, that's great. Thanks very much for watching. I am at Caravan Salon Dusseldorf. And hey, let's have a look on this one as well. There's one over here. We'll have a look. This is another of the same height. This one's got the awnings out, and we'll see if this one's any better. It does actually it looks better from the outside. This one is going to cost 71,000 euros, and it's also a sport edition, but it's a bit different at the back. Oh, I don't like ladders, but that, oh yeah, I do like that. There's all this space below, storage down there. Hey, this is the dog's private parts, this one. I don't think the bike would fit in there, but yeah, hey, I think I might put this on as one of the stars of this show. Very, very nice. But here's another one, an ultra thin one as well. What's this one got to show for itself? No, I don't like this one so much. Let's have a look at the there's one here as well. So it's 194 and 217. The 194 is 6 meters, and the 217 659. Okay, good. So, yeah, I like this one. It's my favorite one, this one. Panorama 2023. Good, so there you have it. I'm at Caravan Salon, as I said, and if you want to subscribe, that'd be nice, because I've got more subscribers. Indeed, if lots of people subscribe during my time at Caravan Salon, I could have reached 80,000 subscribers when I'm here, which would look really good, but unfortunately I'm a bit off that. Mind you, by the time you see this, I might be on 80,000. Who knows? Thanks for watching.